it's Hannah from WTI. Now, my dogs are my absolute world, and I really want them to have the best of everything. So that's why I got these treat toys from Chew King. They are super durable, they're made of really high quality rubber, and they are fantastic. I have two super chewers, and these things have stood the test of time. They do not even have chunks taken out of them, which is more than I can say for some other toys that they have destroyed. They absolutely love these. You can fill them with kibble, you can fill them with treats, you can make them some frozen things for the summer, and they are such a good value. My girls love to chew on them even when there's nothing inside of them. So they're still a great toy to have in the house, whether you're planning on filling them with treats or not. And the best part is, they are dishwasher safe. So I think these are really great toys to have in your house. I recommend them. The girls recommend them. And we think that you should get your pups a set of these as well. But that is just our point of view.